Welcome to Mondorf-les-Bains, one of the hidden gems in the southeast of Luxembourg. Just a short drive from the French border, this peaceful spa town is more than just a destination, it's an invitation to slow down, breathe, and reconnect with yourself. Here, well-being is a way of life. From the rejuvenating waters of the Domaine Thermal to tranquil walks through the historic thermal park, Mondorf is a place where time seems to pause, and every detail is designed to help you feel at peace. The Mondorf Park, beautifully maintained and lush with greenery, is the beating heart of the town. Stretching across several hectares, it's a sanctuary of calm, filled with shaded paths, fountains, sculptures, and colorful flowerbeds. Families stroll, children play freely, and nature lovers find space to breathe. But Mondorf is not just about relaxation. The town also has a vibrant side, with charming restaurants, local gastronomy, and a rich cultural scene. And for history enthusiasts, there's something special tucked inside the park, the Luxembourg Aviation Museum. Small, unique, and deeply meaningful, it offers a glimpse into the country's aviation history. In every corner of Mondorf-les-Bains, there's a feeling of serenity, a sense that here, life moves at your rhythm. It's the perfect getaway for families, couples, or anyone looking for a little peace and inspiration. So if you're searching for a destination where well-being meets beauty, and where you can truly unwind, Mondorf is waiting for you.